A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. Vertical flagstaff of height h. Of here, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane. Vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. Vertical flagstaff of height h. Okay. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top. The angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta. Okay. Alpha is the bottom and this is beta. Okay. Look at here. Listen. Once again, I'll read. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h, small h. Okay. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta. Prove that height of the tower. Is h tan alpha. H tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. H tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, question again. A vertical tower, listen. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a flagstaff of height h. The angle of elevation of the bottom and top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta. Prove that height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, try now. Okay. Okay, question here. This is the question. See the figure. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane surmounted by a flagstaff of height h. The angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the flagstaff are alpha and beta, respectively. Prove that height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, others. So, okay now. See the figure. You got to find out AB equal to h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane surmounted by a flagstaff of height h. This is the flagstaff. The angle of elevation of the top and bottom and top are alpha and beta respectively. Show that height of the tower is h tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. I'll show this one. Look, this is capital H. Okay. So tan alpha h by AC. Tan beta h plus h by AC. So tan beta divided by tan alpha equal to h plus h by h. Okay, cross multiply h tan beta equal to h tan alpha plus h tan alpha. Okay, h coming here. H into tan beta minus tan alpha equal to h tan alpha. Therefore, h equal to h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. Finish. Okay. It's clear now? Okay. Okay, next question. Clear now? Is it okay? Okay, I'll wait. Sanswa, is it okay? Okay. Next one. I'll send you some question in the group, then we can work out it. Okay. Okay, I sent the question. You have to do so we can, because reading too much time takes. So you can do 1, then 3, 1, 3. Work out it. Only 1 and 3. Okay. Only 1 and 3 from this section. Okay, only 1 and 3, work out it. The angle of elevation of a fighter jet from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of changes to 30 degrees. The jet is flying at a speed of 720 km per hour. Then find the constant height at which the jet is flying. Okay. No, you have to draw a figure and a short description. Okay. You know that this type trigonometry question, you just draw a figure and just small like this. Let A be the aksha. Example, let A be the tower of height H and H the height of flagstaff. The angle of elevation of the point C to the top of the building is alpha. To the top of the tower is beta. Like that. Short description. No need a big story. Okay, a short description enough. Okay, now we try question number 1. Question number 1. If not getting, ask first because don't waste the time and because we have not much time for this. Okay. If it is finished, we'll do one more day. Okay. You had today two flights straight opposite its reach. You heard the news today. I think not today, yesterday's. Yesterday in Bangalore airport, two Indigo Airlines, the same line escape, same height. Okay, then air traffic controller suddenly, luckily, noticed this one. Otherwise, both flights will collide. Okay, try this question. The angle of elevation of a fighter jet from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. The jet is flying at a speed of 720 km per hour. Find the constant height at which jet is flying. Okay. Yes, you have to convert 720 km per hour. That's up to you. Okay. Look. Here. Originally, the flight at sea. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, after 15 seconds, the flight reached here. That is 30 degrees. Okay. Then A, B, C, D, E. Okay, what do you have to find out? We have to find out the height. Okay. Listen, after 15 seconds, it reached here, C to D. You find look at here. Hello, I'll explain this question. After 15 seconds, the flight from C to D. That distance you can calculate it. Okay, clear now? That distance you can calculate. This distance equal to this distance. So height we can assume this height h. We can height h like that. Okay. How to calculate? How to calculate the distance from C to D? That's you have to calculate it. Okay. You know, speed is 720 km per hour. Time is 15 seconds. So therefore, distance is 720 into distance equal to speed into time. 720 into 15 divided by 60 into 60, right? Correct or no? 720 into 15 divided by 60 into 60. Converted to hours. Okay, how much that? It is 3 km. This is 3 km. This is 3. This is also 3. Okay. Now, tan 60 equal to h by x. Okay, h by x. Root 3 equal to h by x. Root 3x equal to h, number 1. Then tan 30 equal to h by x plus 3. That is 1 by root 3 equal to h by x plus 3. Okay, that means x plus 3 equal to h root 3. Okay, we want x equal to h by root 3. Substitute here, you will get the height. Clear now? Height is, I don't know, height is 2.598 kilometer. 2.598 kilometer. Yes, 2598 meter. Correct. Able. That is correct. 2598 meter. Once again, I'll explain this question again. Look, this we have to find the height. Okay. Originally the flight at C. That time angle of elevation is 60 degree. After 15 seconds, the flight reach here. Then what is the height of the flight? Okay. So time is given 15 seconds. Speed is 720 km/h. So we can calculate the distance covered by the flight in 15 seconds. That is CD equal to 3 km. Here is 3. Then this is H, X. Then you can calculate it. Okay, do first. The newcomers. Okay. Sarah, it's okay. Oh, no. Freishner, something wrong. 2 point something. 2 point calculation is wrong. You'll get 2598 meter. 2598 meters. Okay, correct it now. Okay. So next question. Okay, so next question. The angle of elevation of a jet plane, 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 the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. The angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the jet is flying at a constant height, 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 jet is flying at a constant height of 3600 root 3. 3600 root 3. 3600 root 3. Find the speed of the plane. Find the speed of the plane. Three thousand six hundred root 3. 3600 root 3. Okay, the angle of elevation of a, the angle of elevation the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. Okay, if the plane is flying at a constant height of 3600 root 3 meter. 3600 root 3 meter. Okay. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Find the speed of the jet plane. Okay. Listen, the previous question, speed is given, we found height. Here height is given, you have to find out the speed. Correct? No? Okay. Yes, Dilna, that's correct. Better keep it kilometer per hour. Okay, Dilna, you're right. Oh no, maybe convert to kilometer per hour. Okay, that's not that correct. Akshaya or Aksha? What is it? Who is this one? Akshaya. Akshaya, just convert to kilometer per hour. Let us see. I want to see. I want to travel in this flight. Okay. How much it will come? I think 8,640 kilometer per hour. 8,640 kilometers. Then that means half an hour. I'll take half an hour. I'll reach Cochin. Come on. Now, nowadays, I'll take 5 hours. If you go to this Akshaya, that flight, half an hour enough. Okay, super jet. I think your mistakes in 10. It is coming 240 kilometer per hour. 240 meter per, hey, not Aditya, not kilometer. 240 meter per second. 240 meter per second, not kilometer. Okay, so answers very, and convert to kilometer, you'll get 864 kilometer per hour. 864 kilometer per hour. Okay, anyone have doubt this question? Tell me. Anyone have doubt? Tell me first. You did long back. Anyone have doubt? Sophia, you got or not? Or you doubt? Doubt. Okay, now listen here. So those who are doubt, listen. Figure out same. Look. Everything same. Here, this is not there. Okay, question. Okay, figure out same. This height is 3,600 root 3. This also 3,600 root 3. Like figure same. Look, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60. Okay, after 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 3,600 root 3, find the speed of the plane. Okay, my idea is you will calculate this distance. Okay, we'll calculate distance CD, and that means BE. Then divide by time. Okay, so here now tan 60 3,600 root 3 divided by x. So root 3 equal to 3,600 root 3 by x. X equal to 3,600. Okay. Then tan 30 equal to 3,600 root 3 divided by AE full. So 1 by root 3 equal to 3,600 root 3 divided by AE. So AE equal to 10,800, right? Correct or not? Am I correct? 3,600. Okay, 10,800. Those who finished, tell me the answer correct. 10,800. Okay, now we can find your distance. BE equal to 10,800 minus 3,600. That is 7,200 kilometers. Kilometer, meter. Meter, right? Meter. Okay, meter. Therefore, time taken, therefore, speed equal to 7,200 divided by 30 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay, 30. That means 240 meter per second. 240 meter per second. So converted to kilometer, 864 kilometer per hour. 864 kilometer per hour. Okay, so if you understood. Okay, finish on 864 kilometer per hour. Sophia, 7,200 meter, not kilometer. Everything in meter, no. 3,600 root 3 meter. Correct or no? Everything meter. Everything in meter. 7,200 meter. Okay. So then 7,200 divided by 30. So that is 240 meter per second. 240 meter per second is 864 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now you try third one. After that, third one. Okay. Those who finish, you can try third one. Okay. Adav, I'll wait. Adav, I'll wait. Okay. Wait, Freischner. Okay. Okay, so then try those who finish. Then try question number 3. A boy standing on a horizontal plane. A boy standing on a horizontal. A boy standing on a horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance of 100 meter. Okay, from him at an elevation of 30 degree. At an elevation of 30 degree. A girl standing on the roof of 20-meter height building finds the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degree. Both the boy and girl are on opposite side of the bird. Find the distance of the bird from the girl. Okay, try now. If anyone have doubt this question, I will do it. Okay. Look at here. This question. Look. Look. This question, listen here. A boy standing okay, a boy standing on the horizontal plane find a bird. Look, a boy standing on a horizontal plane find a bird at a distance of 100 meter from him. Okay, this is 100 meter. The angle of elevation is 30 degree. A, B. Okay. Then a girl 20 meter above height. A, B, C, D, 20 meter height. Same where the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Okay. Okay. Angle of elevation is 45 degree. Angle of elevation is 45 degree. Listen. Okay. Find the if both boy and girl on opposite side. Find the distance of this distance you have to find out. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. First you find out this one. Sin 30 equal to BE divided by 100. So which implies 1/2 equal to BE by 100. So BE equal to 50. This distance is 50. Here is 20. This is 30. Then to find out this one, sin 45 equal to 30 by BD. So 1/√2 equal to 30 by BD. BD equal to 30 root 2. BD equal to 30 root 2. Akshaya, here root 2 value is given, so it's supposed to apply. Okay. If the root 2 value is given, careful that if the value is given, you have to apply. Otherwise, no need to work out it. Okay. Shiva, Nia, getting it now? Okay. So finish. Next question. Okay. Okay, next question. A man standing on the deck of a ship. A man standing on the deck of a ship. A man standing on the deck of a ship. A man standing on the deck of a ship. A man standing on the deck of a ship. A man standing on the deck of a ship. A man standing on the deck of a ship, which is 10 meters above water level. Which is 10 meters above water level. Which is 10 meters above water level. A man standing on the deck of a ship, which is 10 meters above water level. He observed the angle of elevation. He observed the angle of elevation. He observed the angle of elevation. He observed the angle of elevation of the top of a hill as 60 degree. He observed the angle of elevation of the top of the hill as 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the base of the hill is 30 degree. And the angle of depression of the base of the hill as 30 degree. Okay. Calculate the distance of the hill. Calculate the distance of the hill from the ship. Calculate the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Question again. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above water level. Okay. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above water level. He observed the angle of elevation. He observed the angle of elevation of the top of the hill as 60 degree. He observed the angle of elevation of the top of the hill as 30 degree and the angle of depression of the base of the hill. Angle of depression of the base of the hill as 30 degree. Top is 60, base is 30. Find the distance of the hill. Find the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Okay, try now. Ten root 3 and 40, yes. 10 root 3 and 40. Okay. Okay, the figure is, look at here the figure. Look, here the ground, a man here, A, B, 10 meters. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above water level. He observed the angle of elevation of the top of a hill at an angle of depression is 60 and here is 30. Okay, so you have to find A, B, C, D, E. Okay, you have to find out what you have to find out. Calculate the distance of the hill from the ship and the height of the hill. Okay, this is 10, this is also 10. So we can take tan 30 equal to 10 divided by BD. 1 by root 3 equal to 10 by BD, which implies BD equal to 10 root 3. This one 10 root 3. Now we can find a tan 60. Tan 60 equal to DE divided by 10 root 3. So DE equal to 30. 30. So height is 40, distance is 10 root 3. Okay, copy fast. Okay. Okay, so next question. Next one. The angle of elevation of a cloud. The angle of elevation of a cloud. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meters above a lake. 60 meters above a lake is 30 degrees. The angle of elevation of a cloud. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meters above a lake is 30 degrees. And the angular depression of the reflection of the cloud. The angular depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degrees. Angular depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degrees. Find the height of the cloud. Find the height of the cloud. Question. The angle of Shiva, listen. The angle of elevation of a cloud. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree. The angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud. Find the height of the cloud. No, it's 120 meter. Look at here now. Look. The angle of elevation of a cloud. Listen here. This is the water level. Okay, here the water. Okay. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a 60 meter height. Look, the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree. Cloud is here. See, this is 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay, its reflection in the water. Here, this angle is this one 30, this one is 60, correct? Okay. Then, so we have to find the height. Listen here now. This distance and this distance, say, by law of reflection, distance of the object to the and distance of the image also same. Okay, you studied in physics. Okay. Now this one 60, here 60. Figure okay, Sophia. Without doubt, look at here. Question again. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree. That means this guy here looks 30 degree. Its reflection down, that is 60 degree. Find the height. Okay. Look, tan 30 equal to h minus 60. This full h. Here 60. So h minus 60 divided by x. Okay. Then tan 60 from here. H plus 60 divided by x. Dividing tan 30 divided by tan 60 equal to h minus 60 divided by h plus 60. 1 by root 3 into root 3 equal to h minus 60 divided by h plus 60. Okay. So 1 by 3 equal to h minus 60 by h plus 60. Find out now. I think we'll get height is 120. Height is 120. You get the height is 1, 2, 0. Okay. Okay, try first. Yeah, 120 correct. 120 correct. H equal to 60. H equal to 60. That means 60 plus 60, 120. Okay, Seba. Okay, try first. This all we did once. Not a new question. H is 120, yes. H is 120. Okay, next question. A round balloon of radius. Next one. A round balloon of radius R. 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 Subtends an angle alpha. Subtends an angle alpha. Subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer. At the eye of the observer. At the eye of the observer. A round balloon of radius. Okay. A round balloon of radius R subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer. At the eye of the observer, while the angle of elevation of the center, while the angle of elevation of the center is beta. While the angle of elevation of the center is beta. Prove that the height of the center of the balloon. Prove that the height of the center of the balloon is R sine beta into cosec alpha by 2. Cosec alpha by 2. Look, a round balloon of radius R, a round balloon of radius R subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer, while the angle of elevation of the center is beta. Prove that the height of the balloon at the center is this much. Okay, everyone complete the question. I'll explain this question. It's a new question. Okay. R sine beta cosec alpha by 2. R sine beta cosec alpha by 2. Okay, question again. A round balloon, subtends an angle, a round balloon of radius r. A round balloon of radius r, chota r, subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer. Shiva, up to here, okay? Okay, why? Continue. While the angle of elevation of its center is beta. While the angle of elevation of its center, while the angle of elevation of its center is beta. While the angle of elevation of its center is beta. Prove that height of the center of the balloon is this much. Okay, I'll show this one. Look, this is the ground. Here is the round balloon. Okay. Radius is r. This is the radius. OAB. Subtending angle. This angle is beta. This angle is alpha. O here. Okay, subtending angle. Then angle of elevation to the center. This one. This angle is beta. So this height all you have to find out. O, A, B, C here. This is the figure. Now look at here. Subtending angle means what? In between the angle. Hello. Subtending angle means in between angle. A round balloon of radius r. This radius r. This also r. Subtends an angle alpha at the eye of the observer, while angle of elevation of the center of the balloon is beta. Prove that height of the balloon is r sin beta cosec alpha by 2. Okay, draw the figure. Okay, listen here now. No, look at here. Listen here. I'll explain this one. Look, in triangle A, OA. Oh, this is here is I put D. DAO and DBO. Look, DAO and DBO. This one equal to this one. Why? Tangent from an external points are equal. OA equal to OB, radius. OD equal to OD, common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by SSS congruency. Okay, write that. In triangle AOO, in triangle DAO, in triangle DAO, in triangle DAO, in triangle DAO and DBO, DA equal to DB, DA equal to DB. In triangle DAO and DBO, DA equal to DB, tangents from an external points are equal. Tangents from an external points are equal. AO equal to BO radius. AO equal to BO radius. Then DO equal to DO. DO equal to DO common. Therefore, triangle DAO congruent to triangle DBO. DAO congruent to DBO, SSS congruency. Okay. Hence, angle ADO equal to angle BDO, CPCT. ADO equal to BDO, equal CPCT. Hence, ADO equal to BDO equal to alpha by 2. Alpha by 2. Because total is alpha in between alpha by 2. Now, wait now, don't write. In triangle DBO, in triangle DBO, this angle 90, correct? Sine alpha by 2 equal to R by OD. Call it number 1. Sine alpha by 2 equal to R. Opposite side divide. Oh, next problem. Wait. Just wait. Okay, you write up to here, no? You write up to here, triangle DAO, congruent triangle DBO. So the angle is alpha by 2. Up to that, wait, just see the network. Okay, now look, sine in triangle DBO, sine alpha by 2 equal R by OD. Then in triangle DCO, sine beta equal to H by OD. Number 2. Sine beta divided by sine alpha by 2 equal to H by R. Okay, this one, sine beta into cosec alpha by 2 equal to H by R. Therefore, H equal to R sine beta cosec alpha by 2. Okay, copy first. Clear now? Once again, first you show triangle DAO and DBO congruent by SSS. Then these angles are alpha by 2. Then in triangle DBO, you take sine alpha by 2. That is here. Then in triangle DCO, you take sine beta H by OD. Dividing, you'll get the answer. Okay, do first. Okay. Now you can check the video, Rudisha. Okay. I'll upload today itself. Okay. So next question. Everything explained all. Okay. Okay. Two pillars of equal height. Two pillars of equal height. Two pillars of equal height. Two pillars of equal height on either side of a road. On either side of a road. Two pillars of equal height. Two pillars of equal height. Two pillars of equal height and on either side of a road. And on either side of a road, which is 100 meter wide. Which is 100 meter wide. Two pillars of equal height. Two pillars of two pillars of equal height and on either side of a road which is 100 meter wide. The angle of elevation of the top of the pillar, the angle of elevation of the top of the pillar are 60 degree and 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the pillars are 60 degree and 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the pillars are 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the position of the point. Find the position of the point between the pillars. Find the position of the point between the pillars and the height of each pillar. And the height of each pillar. And the height of each pillar. Find the position of the point. Find the position of the point between each pillar and the height of each pillar. Okay, try now. Okay. Try this one. So next class, I'll do the which chapter you prefer? Next class, which chapter you want to do? Come on. You have any option? AP. Okay, I'll do AP. Yep. Circle easy, no? Circle is easy. AP, I'll do it. Okay. After AP, we'll do circle. Okay. Yeah, this is 75 and 25. This one 75 and 25. Okay. Oh, you want to construction? Okay, then I'll do construction first. Okay, no problem. I'll do construction. Construction, what we have to do? Okay. Height is 25 rooms. No problem. Next class, construction. Okay. So you are waiting construction. Okay. So next class, I hope I'll do from Mangav. Okay. This weekend we are shifting. Okay. So thank you. Next question. A tree 12-meter height is broken. A tree 12-meter height. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind. A tree 12-meter height. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that it stop touches the ground and making an angle 60 degrees with the ground. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 degrees with the ground. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle 60 degrees with the ground. At what height from the bottom of the tree? At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? Okay, try now. Aksha, listen. A tree 12-meter height. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind. A tree 12-meter height is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground. At an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. At what height from the bottom of the tree? At what height from the bottom of the tree is broken by the wind? Okay. A tree 12-meter height. This is 12. This is x. This is 12 minus x. Okay, find out. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. So for further questions, you have to refer our original notebook. Okay. So next class I'll do. Thank you. Next class I'll do constructions. Okay, this is enough. I have some more work there is. Okay. Great, test will be there as usual. Okay.